Welcome to my channel, where I share lots of recipes, tips and business strategies for aromatherapists, reflexologists and other holistic therapists. You're very welcome along to this mini-series, which is about how to make 4 easy and effective products that will help your clients, they will help you, and they will boost your income. Today's episode is about the aromatherapy sugar scrubs. Aromatherapy sugar scrubs are absolutely beautiful. They make your skin feel amazing and they add a touch of luxury to any treatment. Today I'll cover how to make a sugar scrub, how to use a sugar scrub to nourish your skin, 3 beautiful essential oil recipes, and how to use sugar scrubs to create treatment upgrades that your clients will absolutely love, and they will help you to create a very welcome cash injection. To get notifications when I create a new video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. For the sugar scrub, I use castor sugar. I find castor sugar is very gentle. The granulated sugar can be a bit harsh, and the brown sugar tends to go a little bit loopy, so it doesn't feel as nice, it doesn't look as nice. Sugar is a very gentle and effective exfoliant and moisturiser when used on the outside, unfortunately not so much on the inside. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, balances sebum and it's a fantastic cleanser even on its own. Lemon essential oil reduces hard skin, and lavender essential oil balances sebum and it moisturises the skin. To make a foot sugar scrub, so you can make a full body sugar scrub or whatever, just using more of the ingredients. So you will need 4 dessert spoons of castor sugar, extra virgin olive oil, enough extra virgin olive oil to cover the sugar, 2 drops of lemon essential oil, 2 drops of lavender essential oil, a bowl and spoon, and some kind of a container, ceramic or glass, because that will help to extend the shelf life. If you use plastic, it'll make the essential oils and the olive oil go off quicker. So what you do is you put the sugar in a bowl and you cover it with olive oil. You cover it enough so that it's loopy, but it's not liquid. And then you add your essential oils to it, give it a good stir and put it into your container. To use a foot scrub, you would massage the sugar scrub into your feet, into clean feet obviously, and if possible then cover your feet with socks and leave it on overnight. And in the morning, leave your socks on until you get into the shower. If you walk across the floor with your foot covered in sugar scrub, there's a fairly good chance you're going to slip or you're going to stain the floor. So then you get in the shower, take your socks off and wash your feet as normal, and that's it. For an all over body scrub, you just hop in the shower, pour over the water, and then just apply the sugar scrub all over your body. Rinse it off, use a bit of shower gel, and you're done. And as I say, your skin is going to feel absolutely amazing. So now I'm going to share some essential oil recipes. So if you're not an aromatherapist, you can't use essential oils for your clients, but of course you can use them for yourself. The citrus refresher, I would use 10 teaspoons, which is 4 dessert spoons of castor sugar. And then I would gradually add enough extra virgin olive oil, stirring well, to give a runny consistency. So it's not solid, but it's not liquid. And I suppose the best way to describe it is loopy. And then I would add 5 drops each of grapefruit, bergamot, orange and lavender. And I have to say, that just smells so refreshing, absolutely beautiful. So cautions. to the essential oils. Don't use lavender for pregnant women. There's an outside chance that lavender could bring on a period. Don't use citrus oils on skin that will be exposed to bright sunlight or a sunbed within 48 hours, because they can cause severe burns, and especially bergamot. That's the worst offender. Our next recipe, Rose Indulgence. This is just such a luxurious blend, so relaxing. This would be lovely to use actually for a client who was coming in and they were suffering from insomnia or anxiety. Something like this would be gorgeous. So again, 10 teaspoons, which is 4 dessert spoons of caster sugar. Gradually add enough extra virgin olive oil, stirring well to give a runny consistency. So, not solid and not liquid. And then add 5 drops each of rose, grapefruit, cypress and benzoin essential oils. And mix well. Cautions to these oils: don't use rose for pregnant women. Again, there's an outside chance it could bring on a period. And again, don't use citrus oils on skin that will be exposed to bright sunlight or a sunbed within 48 hours. There are no known contraindications to benzoin. Peppermint twist. This even sounds lovely. And it's a beautiful, refreshing, kind of zingy, happy blend. So again, it's 10 teaspoons, which is 4 dessert spoons of caster sugar. Gradually add enough extra virgin olive oil, stirring well to give a runny consistency. Not liquid, gloopy. Add 15 drops of lavender and 5 drops of peppermint and mix well. And the reason why I would use a lot more lavender than peppermint is, first of all, that the aroma of peppermint is extremely powerful, and that peppermint can also irritate sensitive skin. So I tend to be wary of it, even if I'm not working on people who have sensitive skin, or for myself, I don't have sensitive skin. But any oil that is advised not to use for sensitive skin, just use it in moderation. So, cautions: don't use lavender or peppermint for pregnant women, and as I just mentioned, don't use peppermint for sensitive skin. And peppermint may also aggravate high blood pressure, as in make it go up. So just be wary of it. So very powerful oil, beautiful oil, but just to be treated with that little bit of caution. So for your clients, how are you going to use this product for your clients? You could offer a sugar foot or hand scrub with massage or reflexology. You can use an all-over sugar scrub if you like, but I would tend to use that maybe as a treatment on its own. It will be lovely. There will be more work for you, but it will be a lovely treatment too. You could also put your sugar scrub in a fancy jar and sell it to your clients. You can get fancy jars fairly cheap in shops like Tiger. And you can also offer a sugar scrub as part of a reward or referral scheme. And I find that is a much better way than offering a free 6th treatment. Offer something really special for a 6th treatment, or if a client refers a friend, both they and the friend will get this sugar scrub. I would offer a sugar scrub treatment and a take-home product. It just makes the treatments so much more special. So if you loved this, and if you'd like to learn more about making your own products, check out my Lotions and Potions course, and I have it I have a link just below the video for you. In that course, there are step-by-step walk-through videos showing you how to make amazing products, including sugar scrubs, body balms, lip balms, moisturizers, aromatherapy inhalers, nourishing sanitizers and bath bombs that you can use for yourself. You can give them as gifts, and they really make a big difference to any treatment, and they make your clients feel really special. There is a certificate included. You just need to complete a short assignment so that you will be able to use the products covered in the course and the essential oils covered in the course for your clients, even if you don't have an aromatherapy qualification. You just need to stick to the recipes covered in the course. If you prefer to read this instead, I have a link below to my blog post, which also includes the podcast episode and the video. The next episode is all about aromatherapy inhalers, which are so powerful for anxiety, for stress, for headaches, for head colds, for sinusitis. Depending on when you're actually watching this, it's either available on in the playlist right now or it's coming soon. Thanks a million for listening. Bye.